There are a lot of different Autel scanners on the market, so it can be tough to know which one is the best for you. If you're an amateur mechanic, you might not need all the bells and whistles that come with the more expensive models. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the 10 best Autel scanners for amateur mechanics. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Autel Maxisys Elite 2 years free update. The Autel Maxisys Elite is the current top-of-the-line Autel scan tool. It features a touchscreen display, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and automatic software and firmware updates to keep it up to date with new diagnostic codes and changes to manufacturer databases. This octo-core processor beauty also includes the ability to digitally tune computer-controlled engine systems for performance, making it a popular choice with custom performance shops. It also has an integrated records-keeping system and can be synced to a PC for storing and printing customer readings and settings quickly and easily. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Autel Scanner Maxisys MS906. The Autel MS906 is a top-of-the-line Autel scan and programming tool that is ideal for auto repair professionals. It has a hexa-core processor and the option to punch in or scan a car's vehicle identification number, VIN, and pull up the exact make, model, and feature configuration from the manufacturer. In addition to taking the guesswork out of what specific features a car has, it also has access to Autel's MaxiFix online community, a site where experts and amateurs can post associated fixes and troubleshooting suggestions organized by Autel code number. This can be invaluable to independent shops attempting to diagnose and repair issues on new models that have only been on the market for a short time. At number 3 on our list, we have the Autel DS808K Automotive Scanner Diagnostic Tool. If you're a professional mechanic or a DIer who likes to stay up to date on the latest in car technology, you'll want to check out the Autel Maxisys DS808 Autel Scan Tool. This Android-based scan tool includes a quad-core processor and the same features as the high-end Maxisys tablet-style devices, but it's strictly a diagnostic tool without any programming or tuning capabilities. It's still compatible with over 80 US, European, and Asian car makers' Autel codes and uses the auto VIN search capability to quickly figure out what you're working with in the shop. If you hook this model up to a car that's recently had a factory recall, it will alert you to that fact thanks to its internet connectivity, and you can advise your customers accordingly or make informed decisions about maintenance and repair if you are a DIy mechanic. All in all, this is a great way to get a pro-quality diagnostic tool at a DIy price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Autel Scanner Maxicom MK808, 2022 newest OBD2 car diagnostic scanner. If you're looking for a cost-effective scan tool with a touchscreen interface, the Autel Maxicom MK808 is a great option. This quad-core powered Autel scan tool is great for DIers and shop techs who want the ability to program various systems on their vehicle but don't need features like integrated Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, and an instant link to online troubleshooting databases. Device software and firmware can be easily updated using an internet-connected PC or Mac, and it can still use AutoVIN to pull up your vehicle's information. Most users who plan to use the device with their own vehicles at home will love the Autel Maxicom MK808. At number 5 on our list, we have the Autel ML619 MaxiLink OBD2 OBD code reader. Some techs prefer to keep a pocket-sized scan tool handy for working around the shop and don't necessarily like the idea lugging a heavy-duty tablet around the shop from car to car. The ML619 may not offer wireless connectivity and instant database updates, but if you just need to pull and reset trouble codes on a car, this is your best friend. Airbag systems, ABS, and SRS systems can all be checked and reset from the palm of your hand, and the device works fast and is easy to learn. As cost-effective pocket-sized options go, the ML619 gives you everything you need without the bulk or complications of a tablet Autel scan tool. At number 6 on our list, we have the Autel AutoLink AL519 OBD2 Scanner Enhanced Mode. A more compact version of the ML619 with live reading capability and data transfer to your PC for record keeping and performance graph printing. It's not as fast as the MaxiLink, but it definitely gets the job done if you want something that fits in your coveralls pocket and can be operated one-handed. At number 7 on our list, We have the Autel Scanner AutoLink AL619 ABS-SRS diagnostic scan tool. When simple is best, get an AL619 to keep handy throughout the workday. This is an excellent choice for D'ers who are only using their diagnostic tool with the same car or cars whenever a trouble code pops up on the dashboard display. It also lets you reset malfunction indicators and service lights after you take care of routine maintenance yourself, thus making it indispensable for the home mechanic who just wants that annoying check engine light to go away after they have made a simple repair, changed the oil or balanced out the air in all 4 tires. At number 8 on our list, we have the Autel MaxiDiag MD806 Pro Car Diagnostic Tool. The most powerful handheld option from Autel, the MD806 has a full-color display and supports more cars, diagnostic systems, and reset capabilities than any other Autel handheld scanner. It's a great choice for professional techs and D'ers who want additional speed and real-time data streaming during diagnosis. It doesn't offer wireless internet connectivity and must be manually synced via USB cable to a computer, but it runs faster and is easier to read than other Autel handhelds. At number 9 on our list, we have the Autel OBD2 Scanner AutoLink AL319 Code Reader Read. The most compact full-color display pocket scan 2, the AL319 offers powerful diagnostic and reset capabilities in a package small enough to slip into your hip pocket. It's not the fastest or most powerful scanner that Autel makes, but it's a real workhorse for shop techs and home mechanics looking to pull and reset their manufacturer diagnostic and trouble codes quickly and easily. Number 10 on our list. We have the no color screen needed? Not a problem with this diminutive wonder. It doesn't offer reset capability or any other programming capabilities. The good news? It can pull codes from just about any car made after 1996, it doesn't need batteries to run, and the display is backlight for easy reading in low light conditions. It's not fancy, it's not all that pretty, but it will get the job done if you need to check a code and don't want to carry an Autel scanner tablet around all day. Finally, at number 11 on our list, we have the Autel TPMS Relearn Tool TS408. Limited to TPMS listed vehicles only, this scanner is perfectly serviceable for home techs but may not be a great choice for professionals at the shop. If you know your vehicle is TPMS listed, this is a great way to get the ability to pull codes and not spend money at a shop for hooking it up to their Autel tool and having the problem explained to you for a hefty service fee. If your vehicle is not listed as compatible with this device though, it's basically an inferior paperweight. Provided you can acquire the necessary information prior to purchase, this should be everything you need in a basic pocket scanner. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.